folks used to think that sustainability was only for those who could afford it or were willing to pay for it. And we've really shifted our mindset to say we have a responsibility to innovate and bring those solutions forward to our customers.
We really work with the customer to help them solve problems for what they need. So a customer may come to us and say, hey, I need a new solution for a packaging product that I need, or I need some help in my facilities with the products that I use to maintain and clean them. And we really work with the customer to find out what suits them best and help source and provide that material for them.
We spend a lot of time making sure that we have the items needed, making sure that we have the processes in place that we can help our customers and be flexible enough to do that.
We strive to work with our customers to build sustainable solutions through design to help reduce the negative impact that their products have on the environment. In the beginning, it's all about responsible sourcing. At the end of the process, we strive to produce a package that can be reused in unique and innovative ways. So if you look at it, we strive to add innovation in every stage of the life cycle.
At Veritiv, we look at sustainability through a number of lenses. It's not just what we do for the environment. It's how we treat our people, it's how we interact with our communities. And so we really try to look as a distributor, well, how can we make the most impact? And our products and our services are a natural place to start. So we're really trying to offer solutions that benefit our customers as well as benefit the communities in which we work.
But we'll also be the first to acknowledge that we're on a journey. This is a path for us. It's a path that we're very committed to, and we're continuing to get smarter about every year. And so we're excited about where we're going, we're excited about the focus we have on it, and we think that there's nothing but better to come.
More and more of our customers are communicating to us just how important sustainability is to them and to their customers. And they're looking to us to provide them with unique and innovative solutions that will drive sustainable options for them through their packaging.
You know, my passion for sustainability comes from two areas. First, on the business side, it's really providing solutions for our customers to meet their needs. But as importantly, if not more importantly, personally, to really provide a sustainable future and environment for not only my kids, but their kids and their kids.
Veritiv is the largest packaging solutions provider in the world. And as that, we have a chance to touch so many different brands and so many different categories that the impact that we can make on sustainability is just a lot larger than what other people can do. So that's really exciting because the little things that we can do to help a customer rethink their packaging design or automate their process is a big deal, and it's going to have a lasting impact on the world.